back again with another video, and today I'm just doing a moto vlog just to kick it off. Haven't been doing one in a while. Okay, that guy was staring at me weird. What was that all about? But anyways, back to topic. Sorry about this wind. I don't know if it's gonna do it on camera, but it's very windy right now. You guys might not be able to tell because it's on video and not in like the real thing, because I might be confusing you. I might not. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just shouting it out of the blue. Oh man, this house is so weird. There's so many dents and cracks. You can hardly ride on it. God. Alright, yeah, we're getting off that because that hurts my butt right away when I do that. Jeez, what made a mess over here? What did he do? I don't know if he did that or someone else did that, but we'll never know, I guess. Unless he says it. Alright, we're gonna do some stunts now. Because normal mode, ouch, that hurt. That one was terrible. Now I'm gonna have to go all the way back and try it again, because that one, guess it wasn't that bad. I might do stoppies now, but everybody says on this bike you can't really do stuff like that, which sucks in my opinion. Let's try that again with no failure this time. Come on, I got lots of energy. Come on, baby. Now that's more like it. Oh yeah, that one was way better than the last one, for sure. I'm totally out of breath now from going that fast. Oh man. I like how there's a crack there, but it doesn't make anybody trip on it, is what I'm saying. Like here, I'll steer right into it. Nothing will happen except a shake. See, it just shakes my butt. I don't know how it even got there. Maybe someone no, it wouldn't be that. Nobody knows on how that happened. Almost everybody in the neighborhood has been trying to solve it, but they can never find a clue about it. There's a lot of cracks in this neighborhood. A lot of people know, oh man, I want to do that again, but I'm gonna run out of energy. I need to do heavy breathing now because of that. Oh, man, makes my butt go up and down like that. I don't even know why I'm saying this stuff. I'm gonna stop saying that now because that's a little weird starting now. I wonder who's home in that house. Oh, if you guys can see those marks here, I'll go up here a little bit. Let me gain some speed, guys, so I can show you as fast as possible. Aw, geez, come on. You kidding me? Okay, good. No more trucks or cars. All right. You guys see these lines right there? The ones right in front? My dad made those marks with a Z06 Corvette. They look sick, yo. I think I know what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna do drift. You might feel a camera shake, guys, because I'm about to do a drift. yeah. What are you doing? Oh, I thought that was
recording.
Yeah, I'm just recording for my YouTube. Alright guys, this video is reaching an end. If you liked it, please like it and please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!